Feeling uneasy about the safety of your home or loved ones? Here are the 5 best 4K security camera systems I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, ANNKE 3K Lite Wired Security Camera System. The ANNKE 3K Lite Wired Security Camera System caught my attention because of its impressive features at a reasonable price of $290.24. If you're looking for a solid security solution to keep your property safe, this is worth a serious look. This system comes equipped with AI motion detection that can differentiate between humans and vehicles. Imagine being able to reduce false alerts and pinpoint actual intruders. The 1080p resolution ensures you can zoom in and identify faces from 30 feet away, crucial if something suspicious occurs. Plus, with its 1 terabyte hard drive pre-installed, you can record 24/7 without worrying about running out of space, giving you peace of mind day and night. It also has color night vision and is IP67 rated, meaning it can withstand harsh weather conditions. Now, some users have pointed out that the camera quality can lag in extreme weather. Here's the thing though, most security cameras struggle in heavy rain or snow. If you live in an area with extreme weather year-round, that might be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and want reliable home security. Skip this one if you need advanced features like remote access or high-end image quality. Now, if the ANNKE's camera quality concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach with higher resolution and features. Product number 2, Hiseeu 4K PoE PTZ System. Next up is the Hiseeu 4K PoE PTZ camera system, priced at $391.18. What really gets my attention here is the ability to pan 300 degrees and tilt 90 degrees, allowing for a comprehensive view of your property. If you want to cover a larger area without having multiple cameras, this is definitely worth a serious look. The human tracking feature is impressive. It actively follows any suspicious movements, reducing the need for constant monitoring. With 4K resolution, you can capture details that can be pivotal in identifying intruders. The 3 terabyte hard drive allows for 24/7 recording, giving you flexibility in how you want to manage your footage. Plus, real-time alerts sent directly to your phone keep you informed, which is a must-have feature for modern security. However, some users have mentioned the installation process can be a bit tricky. I'll be real with you, if you're not tech-savvy, that could be a hurdle. But if you're willing to take the time to set it up properly, it's a minor inconvenience compared to the benefits. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a system that covers large areas and wants smart features. Skip this one if you prefer a plug-and-play option without much hassle. Great value for your investment considering its capabilities. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for comprehensive surveillance. Product number 3, Hiseeu 360 View System. Coming in at $488.36, the Hiseeu 4K PoE security camera system offers a striking 360-degree view. This one genuinely surprised me with its ability to capture every detail without blind spots. If you want full coverage of your property, this is worth your attention. With 4K resolution and an AI auto-tracking feature, you can effectively monitor your home with ease. The instant alarm feature alerts you via push notifications, ensuring you're always in the loop about what's happening around your property. The 2 terabyte hard drive ensures you have enough storage for all your footage without constantly overwriting old files. Plus, it has color night vision, which is a major bonus for nighttime surveillance. On the downside, I saw some complaints about the app connectivity being spotty at times. Here's the thing though, most issues like this can often be resolved with a good Wi-Fi connection. If you live in an area with weak internet, that could be something to consider. This is perfect for you if you want comprehensive coverage with advanced features. Skip this one if you can't deal with occasional connectivity issues. For its price, it's a solid investment in your home security. Now, if you need something that offers even more unique features, wait till you hear about the next one. Product number 4, Hiseeu 4K Wired System. The Hiseeu 4K Wired Security Camera System is priced at $403.81 and offers smart color night vision, which is something I really appreciated. If your primary concern is capturing clear footage at night, this one is definitely worth a look. The system boasts 4K Ultra HD resolution, providing almost 4 times the clarity of 1080p. You'll find the AI human and vehicle detection incredibly useful, as it reduces false alarms and only alerts you to real threats. The built-in 3TB hard drive means you have plenty of space for recordings, and the multiple recording modes allow you to customize how you record based on your needs. However, I did notice some users mention that the audio functionality isn't as robust as they expected. Now, this might be a deal breaker if you're specifically looking for high-quality audio recording, but if you're more focused on the visual aspect, it's not a major issue. This is perfect for you if you prioritize night vision and clear footage. Skip this one if audio recording is a high priority for you. It offers great value considering the advanced features it packs. Now, if having audio and advanced tracking is essential to you, the final product might just check all your boxes. Product number 5, Hiseeu PTZ Security Camera System for $580.48, which boasts impressive features like human tracking and two-way audio. If you want a high-end system that covers all bases, this is certainly worth considering. With a 300-degree pan and 90-degree tilt, you can capture every corner of your property. The AI capabilities ensure you're getting the most accurate alerts possible, distinguishing between humans and vehicles, which is a huge plus. The color night vision and the ability to record 24/7 mean you won't miss a moment. Plus, having two-way audio allows you to communicate through the camera, which can deter potential intruders. However, the higher price may be a concern for some, but let's be honest, investing in a quality security system is about protecting your home and loved ones. If you can't afford it, the investment is well worth it for peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive security solution with advanced features. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. The value for money is excellent considering the features offered. So, to quickly compare, we have the ANNKE 3K Lite for budget-friendly reliability, the Hiseeu 4K PTZ for larger coverage, the Hiseeu 360-degree view for comprehensive monitoring, the Hiseeu wired system for night vision, and the Hiseeu PTZ for top-tier features. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Hiseeu 4K PoE PTZ camera system because it balances features and price effectively. The one to avoid is the Hiseeu wired system if audio is a top priority for you. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.